Well, y'all, it's me, Ron, again here on the snap stream. I'm up here in Ohio, and DOT's got me pulled over the side of the road doing a level 3 inspection on me. And I didn't have this thing on tight enough for them, so they're going to write me up for not having my seatbelt on properly. I had it on, just, I mean, you put on a few hundred miles a day, you don't want something yanking you into the seat. Then he tried to bull crap me saying, I have to pay a fine, but nothing will go on my license. That's a bunch of crap. It all goes on your license. Oh yeah. One more thing I gotta do. How he is about being filmed when he gets back here. I forget which one the level 3 is. I'm not sure if that's the paperwork or everything. I always thought level 1 was just the paperwork. Might be different here, I don't know. Ugh. Well, I ain't seen y'all in a while. Hate that I had to come back on here into these precepts. Sorry about the road noise. I seen him back yonder, and then I seen he facing the other direction. Then he came out here. I wasn't speeding or nothing, so I was like, I see him coming down. I was down the road about a half mile, but I could see him coming down. What he's up to. Could have been anything. It's busy. Then I seen him hanging out. Guy coming. I was like, is that? I couldn't tell if it was a cop or what. Then he pulled up next to me, and I said, well, he must want me to. He must want to come over or want me to get over. So I started moving over. I'm running behind anyway today. I didn't need the extra downtime. I guess they give me an excuse though, huh? At my log thing here. See, he had to get on this and do his own thing. I've been here about 5 minutes with y'all, and I've probably been here over 15 minutes or close to it. Here he comes.
Close your door, is that okay? Alright, sir. Now get you on your way, okay? Back for you. Here's this back for you. That's your truck registration and your shipping paper, okay?
You what now?
That's your truck registration back and your shipping paper back, okay? And then here's a copy of the inspection. Like I said, it's just a seatbelt violation today, okay? You sign right here at the bottom where your name is, then you give it to your company will sign right here where it says Signature Motor Carrier, okay? And then PUCO will issue the fine to you in the mail, and then you can either pay it online, by phone, or mail it back in, okay? Do you have any other questions for me today?
Nope.
No? Alright, sir. Well, you're good to go. I appreciate your time. Take care and be safe, okay? Nope, that's your copy to keep. That's your copy to keep, okay? Alright, sir. Take care.
I guess that's my toll for going through the wonderful state of Ohio. All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all's time. Love y'all. And that's all I got today for here on the Snapstream. Remember to make things around you brighter, because the world will take care of itself as long as you do good around you. Bye-bye, y'all.